And finally, we came to analyzing pivot tables module 8, part 7, starting on page 8-16. And this time what we're going to do is add a function onto the Northeast worksheet. Now, if you think about it, since that our pivot table report, here, let's just do this. I came to this, since our pivot table report, remember, we've talked about this, is all based off the Northeast data sheet, then any of the cells in here could not be referred to and used in a formula or a function somewhere else, right? Because they're all just a view. But we want to take some of this information and include it on our Northeast sheet. So in that case, we're going to have to use a specialized function in order to do it. And that's called the GETPIVOTDATA Function in order to accomplish it. So on this worksheet, on the Northeast worksheet in G1, they want us to, oh, wait a second. Let's prepare this pivot table worksheet because what we're supposed to be getting is the yearly revenue total for the Boston office and put it on the Northeast sheet. So we'll use that special GetPivotData function in order to get it over there. So we need to start off by changing the division to all because we want not just creative but everything. And we have all quarters, so we're all set. Now we'll go back to the Northeast worksheet. And we're putting it somewhere, okay? It's somewhere. In G1, we're going to type total Boston revenue, and we'll use their enter key up here, just so we stay in the same line. And we'll just do a little bit of formatting. So we're going to right align it, but you haven't used that one for a while. Right align it and make it bold. And then widen the column so it will fit. You can click and drag if you want, but you don't know when you got far enough, so double click works better. And then in G2 then is where we want to put our formula. We want to into this cell, we want to put the value of this J6 over here. Okay, we'll go back to Northeast. We'll click equals. Go over to the pivot table, get J6. And notice that the formula shows up there. You see it? And click the enter key. We came back to the Northeast worksheet, okay, and format it for accounting format. Yeah. Oh, put our name in the footer. Insert, header, footer, footer. Okay. But that's still just interesting. So we can go back and see, remember that we had that total, which was a value, but we're putting it, switch back to normal view. We're putting it up in the Boston revenue, total revenue, using the get pivot data value, just a special use of a formula. Okay, my friends, you have finished chapter module 8. Good for you.